Mother Nature, Mother Nature, we must guard her and protect her. Mother Nature, Mother Nature, we must nurture and respect her. She is crying out in sadness at agribusiness methods used. She is sobbing, she is grieving, while her earth is being abused. She is calling out for due care to take only what is needed. She is howling now in thin air, but her message goes unheeded. Mother Nature, Mother Nature, do not harm her nor forsake her. Mother Nature, Mother Nature, we must guard her and protect her. She is struggling to survive, to undo the damage done to our forests and her lakes and her life-nurturing sun. Her ecosystem's out of balance, she is ailing and unwell. We must act swiftly now to aid her before all is shrapnel.